YouTube just paid me for 100 views. You won't believe it, guys. You won't. This video has gotten 116 views since it was published, and it has generated me $5.65. You guys can actually see this. I'm not here to beat around the bush showing you guys analytics, showing you these are the viewers, these are my audience, this is the reach. No, I'm just here to show you that with just this low amount of views, because people will be asking me, how are you making your money when your views are not even up to 1K? How are you doing it? In this video, don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can actually make more money for yourself on YouTube. If you're monetized, how you can make more money for yourself even with that low views. You don't necessarily have to have high views for you to earn more money for yourself. Just stick with me and understand how you can actually earn more money for yourself with YouTube. If you look down here, this is the particular video that actually got me this particular amount. As you can see, I just posted this video not too long ago. This particular video is the video I said stop posting shorts. If you check my channel, you actually see, I think it's among like the first 3 recent videos. You guys will actually find it here. You can see down here a little clip about the video. It's a 14-minute video anyways, and you guys can actually see it right here. I said stop posting shorts. That's the title, and this particular video actually gave me 3 subscribers and 4.2 watch hours. You guys can actually see all of this displaying on your screen. This is not me saying this without showing proof. This is me showing you guys the proof. So now let's see how much advertisers actually pay for me to be able to get this particular amount. Let me click on the revenue aspect so you guys can see for more details. If you look down here, you will see that how you make money. This particular money was actually made through watch paid ads only. Like you guys can actually see, it was true watch paid ads. So it was not like somebody gifted me. For those of you thinking that, oh, maybe somebody super chatted, maybe someone gifted me the money, that's why the money is high. No, you guys can see everything is just from watch paid ads for 116. Like, can you guys imagine? See how much advertisers are actually paying. Advertisers are paying $170.75. This is actually a lot. So for every 1,000 view I get, I'll be getting $170.75. Sorry. So imagine if 1,000 people watch this video. Imagine if 10,000 people watch this video. How much am I going to be making? Convert, especially if you are living in Nigeria that I'm living, convert this particular dollar rate to naira, because $1 currently I think is about 1,600. Convert it and see how much is actually going to be. Then is YouTube not worth it? Before I continue, guys, let me tell you this. Now let me show you how you can actually increase your money in case you're a YouTuber and your money is just dragging on the floor. Like, let me now show you how you can increase it. Let's go. You need to be able to increase your revenue, increase your income. All you need to do, log on to your YouTube studio and look down here, this part here that says settings. So once you click on this part here that says settings, then you will now click on this part here that says currency. You can click, as you guys can actually see, I'm currently using new Taiwan dollar. So you guys can actually just go back and scroll. Yeah, if you want to increase, you can put on new Taiwan dollar. I know you guys already know what I did right there, but now let us restore it to know how much I actually got in this particular video. Now let's talk face to face. Like I told you guys, come closer, let's talk. So you see all those people telling you that I made $5,000 in one day, I made $2,000 in one day. This is how much YouTube is paying. See, most of them is Sakama and J. If you're in Nigeria, you know what Sakama and J means. So what I'm actually trying to say is that most of them is actually a way for them to be able to sell, especially those that sell courses. Those that don't sell course, they have nothing to gain, you understand? So they might actually be genuine, you understand? But you see those people that sell course, most of them, this is what they do to trick you guys to be able to trust them. Then they sell their courses to you. So they actually make money from selling the course, not money from YouTube itself. Do you guys understand? So when they come to you guys now, they say, oh, see how much YouTube is paying me. I can teach you how you can actually make this particular amount for yourself. All you just need to do, buy my course or come for my class, register for my tutor, do this. See, believe online at your own risk. Believe online space at your own risk. Anything can be manipulated. I'm not trying to say that they are not genuine people. They are actually genuine people. But the fake ones, people that are actually going to lure you, they are actually more than the genuine ones. Yes. I know you guys are already saying, oh my God, why did you get us all excited from the beginning thinking that 100 views can actually give you that amount of money? And we're already thinking, okay, teach us the trick. I want to learn it. This is just an awareness video. In fact, before I continue telling you guys more, let me show you the real amount of like the real amount 116 views actually gave me, like the real one after changing it to USD. Let us see the real amount now. So guys, this is the actual view of how much YouTube actually paid me. It's 0.19 cents, and this is the real and honest truth. Although the views increased, yeah, you can see it's now 119, yeah, but anyways, that's the amount currently there is 0.19. So now let's go back. So my people that is always trusting this online people selling courses, selling this, selling that, hope you guys are now awake. You guys should stop sleeping. Oh, if you're a member of this channel, if you're a subscriber, you guys don't deserve to be cheated at all. That's why I had to bring this to your notice, so you guys are aware, fully aware of what's going on around you, and you guys are smart. Yes. So all right, I'd love to leave by saying, in case you're just finding my channel for the first time, this is N with Nika. Please do well to hit on the subscribe button, do well to hit on the like button in case if you have not liked, and do well to comment if you actually fell for it or if you're already new. I think some of my old subscribers are already new because I've done something like this before in the past year, right? I know, right? But I felt like people did not really see that video, so I said, okay, let me do it again so that more people actually are aware of what's actually going on in their surroundings. Yeah. Alright guys, see you in our next video. Bye guys, I love you. Mwah.